Example 8. When photons of energy 4.25 electron volt strikes the surface of metal A, the ejected photoelectrons have maximum kinetic energy Ta electron volt and de Broglie wavelength gamma A. The maximum kinetic energy of photoelectrons liberated from another metal B by photons of energy 4.70 electron volt is Tb is equal to Ta minus 1.50 electron volt. If the de Broglie wavelength of these photoelectrons is gamma B is equal to 2 times of gamma A, then option A, the work function of A is 2.225 electron volt. Option B, the work function of B is of 4.20 electron volt. And option C, kinetic energy is equal to 2 electron volt. And option D, kinetic energy is equal to 2.75 electron volt. So let us do this. Since the energy of photon given, energy of photon of A is 4.25 electron volt and kinetic energy of A is given as Ta electron volt and wavelength of A is given as lambda A or gamma A, and energy of photon for B is given as 4.70 electron volt and kinetic energy of B is given as Tb, which is nothing but Ta minus 1.5 electron volt, and wavelength, let it be gamma or lambda, lambda B is equal to 2 times of lambda A. So we need to calculate the energy and wavelengths. So for A 4.25 is equal to work function of A plus kinetic energy of A, which is nothing but Ta. And for B 4.70 is equal to work function of B plus kinetic energy of B, which is nothing but Ta minus 1.5. And we also know lambda of B is equal to 2 times of lambda A. So lambda B can be written as h by under root of 2 times of mass into kinetic energy of B. Kinetic energy of B is nothing but Tb is equal to 2 times of lambda of A can be written as h by under root of 2m Ta. So HH get cancelled, root 2m get cancelled. Therefore, what we got? 1 by root Tb is equal to 2 by root Ta square on both sides. So 1 by Tb is equal to 4 by Ta. Therefore, Tb is equal to Tb into 4 is equal to Ta. So let it be equation 1. So, but we also know that Tb is equal to Ta minus 1.5 and Tb value is Ta by 4 or Ta is equal to 4 times of Tb. So in the place of Tb I can write Ta by 4 is equal to Ta minus 1.5. So therefore Ta value will be 2 electron volt. So when we got the Ta value, we can calculate Tb as well. So kinetic energy of B, which is nothing but 2 minus 1.5, which is 0.5 electron volt of Tb. So we calculated Ta and Tb. Let us calculate work function of A and work function of B as well. Work function of A can be written as, from this equation, 4.25 minus TA. TA is nothing but 2 electron volt, so which is nothing but 2.25 electron volt. This is the work function of A, and work function of B can be written as 4.70 minus TA minus 1.5, which is nothing but 0.5. So what we get? 4.20 electron volt. So we calculated kinetic energy of A and kinetic energy of B, and work function of A and work function of